Come test drive the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.